Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report chart analysis videos on Tuesday 17th of July with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. Now the yen is interesting because it broadly is the sort of big loser seemingly in the last few months. Yeah, we've seen that the yen is still weaker against the dollar. Sort of held a little bit of its ground in the last couple of sessions, but sort of still having broken out above 11.40. The dollar remains very strong on dollar yen. Momentum indicators are very strong still. RSI above 70, MACD lines and stochastics still strongly configured. It all sort of still points towards buying into weakness on dollar yen. And so you can draw a loose uptrend that comes in quite a long way back actually still, 1040, so there is sort of room for a correction and still be very strongly configured, and that would sort of give you the RSI back around 50, which would ideally be a decent entry point. I think 1140 would be where the bulls would be starting to get really interested again. If you started to get support around that and then positive signals once again, I think that would be your probably ideal buying area. Yeah, you're just sort of hovering around with the breakout at the moment. Not yet turned corrective. Back below 1220, which was the low of the last couple of days. If that sort of then goes, then you're likely to see that drift coming back towards probably 1140 area. But it's still pretty strong on momentum configuration on the hourly. RSI in the mid, holding above the mid 30s. MACD lines back towards neutral in a positive sort of mindset still. But yeah, I think that yeah, you've just basically entered into a bit of consolidation zone. Perhaps Jerome Powell's going to give dollar a bit more direction this afternoon. But for now, I think still the yen remains an underperformer against the dollar, even though the dollar is looking a little bit more corrective across the majors. I think against the yen, it still remains pretty positive. Ultimately, any sort of weakness I think on dollar yen is still now a chance to buy, having had that broken out, that key breakout above 1140. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.